Okay, so ngayon, papunta naman ako ng Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia ngayon. And sabi nung sa bus terminal na nag-i-encode ng mga tickets, sinabi niya, you always going to Penang to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. And excuse me, nung time na kinukuha niya yung name ko, sabi niya, no, don't give your name, I already know your name. And then she already wrote or write or type through those info through the computer na nakaharap sa kanya. Sabi niya, I already know your name. Sabi ko, thank you. And I'm not talking about why I always going to Kuala Lumpur. This is very private to me, and also it's waste of money also. But no matter what happened to me in any moves of life, you should have your money weapon or weapon money on the table, because not happening to push those problem or disposing if you don't have money into the table. So always put food or anything on the table, and don't ever sleep on the top of the table. So ayun lang, there's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always, everyone. Mabuhay from Metro Manila, Philippines. So ito yung view dito. So that's happening. So if you ask me how much the pay or magkano pamasahe dito from Penang to TBS Penang to TBS Kuala Lumpur, it's already mga mataas na yung 44 ringgit ng bus travel talaga. But if you go to Penang, Kuala Lumpur to Penang through taxi, their national or local cab taxi, it's 900 ringgit. So magtiyaga na lang kayong pumila sa TBS, or doon na kayo matulog sa transportation ng bus terminal para makatipid kayo. So yun lang, gusto ko nang i-share, friends. Mag-ingat kayong lahat.